Hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location. There is some nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 7.2, which is the good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Category 1. Facilities like room size, website, view, amenities, facilities, and communities, etc. Category 2. Category 3. Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Three categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several rates and offers are available online for this hotel along with various plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already stayed in this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then you must subscribe